My dear fellow collectors, I just got the latest Barbie book today, and I'd like to give you first insight of my new book. Now let's have a first look into the new Barbie book. Okay, I see many pink and white images. I see a modern Barbie. Okay, here's a table of contents. Oh, I've already seen this one. She was available last year or the year before. And the 2019 anniversary doll, or at least one of them. I see Ruth Handler here. I see, oh, this must be the very first Mattel factory. I've read about it, but I've never seen it in a picture. It seems like this, some drawings for toys. Okay, here we see Elliot and Ruth again, and obviously they are testing toys. Here Ruth is presenting some toys. Here we see a paper doll, and maybe this is some of the early stuff from the first Mattel factory. I don't know it, I have not read the book yet, but I will have time in the next days because I finished an exam today, and yeah, I will have time to read in the next days. Okay, this is a patent drawing. I really like the old patent drawing. They were made by him. Let's check why. You have probably heard of him because I think he was responsible for the talking Barbies. Okay, I see Build Lily. I see some more of the patent drawings for the attorneys, so that they could be registered in the patent register, the USA. Okay, this seems to be another later picture. I don't know if it's the same factory that we've seen before. Let's read it later and see. Okay, here we have some Barbie dolls, some early fashions. Oh, I don't know, I think this is Carol Spencer or Charlotte Johansson cutting out patterns. Okay, that's number one. Let's see. Oh, I've heard about it. It's Mickey Mouse Club, and I think it's one of the early issues. The sue-free, no, not the sue-free patterns, no, the regular patterns for Barbie. No, it's just oh, I have the originals. I think in somewhere in my collections. They are for home sewing, that little girls could sew them at home, and I have the original patterns. I think from this 6 or so, at least, so that I can sew the dresses. You see. And here we have another Bright Barbie. We have they are the sue-free fashions. And here's a membership card of the Barbie fan club. Here we have a bride. Here we have a number 1. So here we have more vintage dolls with clothes. Very nice. And we have here some cases. I have no idea. It seems lovely, but I have no idea what that is. Seems that she was somehow very welcome in the Barbie fan club or something. Okay, we see some more early fashions. Another number 1. Oh, here we have the 1 million mark. I think they produced 1 million mark in, I have no idea when. Maybe 1963, maybe 1964. We see here Miss Astronaut fashion. And here we have timeline from early to modern. Become your own hero. Yeah, I am my own hero. They are modern, but I've not seen them yet somewhere. Oh, they were released in the last years, I think. They were from 2018, 17 or 18. And here I have a totally hair Barbie. I had one when I was little. I wanted to have it so much. I had to wait several weeks because she was sold out immediately in the city where I lived when I was little. And the department store had only a little stock of totally hair's cotton. So I had to wait for several weeks until the next load came. Oh, that's interesting. I see shaping Barbie. Maybe we learned something about painting on the face, and it seems to be how she called the wig one, the one with the wigs. Not Miss Barbie, but the one with the wigs. I really like these old drawings of fashions. It's very lovely. It's sad that they don't do it anymore. Okay, here we see some fashion molds for the hats. Some doll hats, molds. Okay, here we see Kissing Barbie, and I see some from around 1980. Then we have the fashionistas, the very modern ones, which I'm not the biggest fan of. Okay, here we see Share a Smile Becky in the wheelchair, the first Becky in the wheelchair, not the one you can buy at the moment. And here are some more fashionistas. Barbie Lifestyle. Oh, that's a talking twisty. Maybe I'm going to find one to repair someday. Yeah, we see Twiggy. Let's see Twiggy. We see Miss Astronaut Barbie from 1986. We see a very big diorama. Pretty boy, I have this book. Seems that they are somehow celebrities. Don't know what this chapter is about. I will have to read it. Okay, so I see here some 90s dolls, which I really like, and some designer dolls. I see Andy Warhol. I see Catwalk. I see Karl Lagerfeld. Well, they're dressed up like Barbie dolls. Let's see Bob McGee. I see some fashionistas. Legally Blonde. Maybe that's a collector who tells us about his collection, how he got into collecting or something like this. There's another girl with dolls. I don't know. That's crazy. She's crazy. It's a crazy YouTuber. I think I've seen her on YouTube, but she's a bit too pink for my imagination of Barbie. I don't want to be like Barbie. I like her, but I don't want to be a Barbie. Maybe I can express it this way. And here we see the original Barbara Handler, the daughter, after her Barbie was named. Okay, I see Ketura Wistenhauser, who has written the story of Barbie in the 90s. I see Bettina Dorfmann, a German collector. I see the bibliography, and in the end we have a timeline which we can it's a very long timeline. I have one, but mine is already 20 years old, and I'm surprised that they continue to timeline. Okay, and that was unboxing, a first view at Barbie Forever. Thanks for watching, stay tuned in, every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course you can send me your broken Barbie dolls to help this channel a little grow.